Hello everyone, it's Jeff from New York and we are downtown Las Vegas. We're going to visit the last two hotel casinos in the downtown area. There'll be lots more hotel and casinos coming up right after these, but they won't be in the downtown area. These are the last two for this trip. I'm combining two because they're both short videos. First, we're going to visit Main Street Station, which is a rather large hotel and casino, but I had to cut my filming short because I got busted for filming in the casino, and you'll actually see that. And the second hotel casino is the Grand, which is small, so that's why it's combined with this one. They're two short videos. I'm accessing Main Street Station via a pedestrian walkway that goes over Main Street. The walkway connects Main Street Station to the California Hotel and Casino. I'll show you what the outside of Main Street Station looks like as I exit it. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. As I walk around this place, I get a TGI Fridays kind of vibe. I know it's not the same designers, but it could be. The place just reminds me of a Fridays. This buffet room is beautiful, and okay, maybe I jumped the gun. It's not very Fridays. Actually, it reminds me of Italy down at the Park MGM. Both Italy and the Park MGM have their own separate videos on this channel. This is one long casino bar. And this is the entrance to that buffet that reminds me of Italy. It's called the Garden Court Buffet. There's quite a few options here too. Besides breakfast, lunch, and dinner, there's a seafood dinner, a prime rib and scampi dinner, and a champagne brunch, all priced accordingly. The columns and ceiling work remind me of a New York subway station. Of course, minus the pretty lights, the chandeliers, and the ceiling fans. This is the 777 restaurant, very much like a Fridays menu and very much like a Fridays decor on the inside. So security with regards to videotaping in a hotel and casino is much looser down here downtown than it is uptown in the hotel and casinos. However, Main Street Station is the exception. Apparently they've been following me around and I'm about to get busted. Truth is, I haven't even filmed anything in the casino yet, but I do realize and respect the fact that I'm on private property, and if they want me to leave, I'm gonna leave. So I got caught. Word to the wise, if you're in Main Street Station, don't film or take pictures with your phone or whatever, because security really does frown on that, and lesson learned here, and I'm on my way out. And this is the exterior shot of the Main Street Station with the pedestrian overpass that connects to the California Hotel and Casino. And 1 or 2 blocks away, we're making our way over to the Grand Hotel and Casino, which is actually very tiny. There's a bunch of these large open plazas off of Fremont Street, and it's all part of the expansion and upgrading of the Fremont Street experience. There's been so many improvements to the downtown area in the past few years, and I can say with confidence that in a couple of years this is going to be a major attraction as tourists come into Vegas. Kind of like the new will be rediscovering the old. The Grand seems to be small and quirky, and that's fine. If the staff is friendly, the place is clean and secure, back home in New York, we would call that a boutique hotel. This small restaurant with a large stage reminds me of Frenchman Street in New Orleans, and you can check out those videos on this channel as well. Here's the Grand Sportsbook. Not so many bars here in the Grand, but as they say, if you build one, they will come. The Grand Hotel and Casino is 1 block off of Fremont and 1 block away from the Mob Museum. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. If you plan on visiting Vegas in the near future, check out the link below in the description. 50 things to do and tips while visiting Las Vegas. So I had a great time filming all these hotel and casinos, these older ones down here in the downtown area of the Fremont Experience, and I hope you enjoyed the videos as well. I'm looking forward to coming back soon because there's a lot more improvements coming in the future, as well as the opening of the Circa in the year 2020. But stay tuned to the channel because there's lots more coming as far as videos uptown, as well as the Grand Canyon, Hoover Dam, and Route 66. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.